Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P Oil and Euro daily recap for August 2nd, 2012. Today was very interesting. I woke up this morning around 6:30. The futures were up about 5 or 6 points. Jobless claims came out. We rallied harder, and then we got some news from the ECB, which they did not cut rates, and then we got smoked. So we rallied up higher this morning, and then we went back down, and then we saw some buyers come in lower. We still ended up pretty down, about 10 points in S&P, or down 100 points in the Dow. And 1380 seems like this level where we start getting some selling pressure. Maybe we see some buyers come into the market. We do have the employment situation tomorrow, which should be interesting to see where the market goes. I took one trade today in the futures, and it was a very simple trade. When we were down a lot, I thought once we tested the low, if we tested the low, we could continue moving lower. So I sold the low of the day, which was 555 half right here. 1355 half. I took target 1 at 1354, target 2 at 1352 half, and then final target at 1349 half. So very good trade in the minis. It wasn't the cloud, but a lot of times when we trade, if we break the higher low within the first hour, we see, capitulation buyers or sellers come in. So on the 5-minute chart, I just sold under 2 ticks under the low of the day, and then we got some follow through for about 5 more points. So we did rally towards the end of the day to this 1360 level. So keep an eye on this 1350 to the downside. Seems like 1350 is getting support similar to the 1300 level did. Then oil. I traded oil very well. I traded oil on the 5. And let me make sure my timetable is right. So basically what happened was oil came from this morning. We rallied higher. We did not get into the cloud. Then we saw some selling pressure back into the cloud. And then I took, what I thought was a good risk versus reward trade. My risk versus reward trade was right around here when it broke the cloud to the downside. I sold at 87.87. And, I had a stop above the high, so I had a stop at this 88.30 level. So I was risking 35 cents to the upside, and I thought we could test down all the way down to the downside. So I sold 87.87. I took profit level target at 1 at 87.51. Then I took my final profit target at 87.06. So using the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud system on the 5-minute oil treated me very well today. Selling below the cloud, stop above the cloud, didn't even come close to there. And I took 37 cents on half my position, and then I took 80 cents on my other half of my position on an oil short. Oil trades very good with the 5-minute bar. One more I want to look at is the 240 bar and the euro. I got short euro today. I'm still in that position right now, and let me make sure I move myself to a 24-hour chart. And let me get oil up here. The euro up here. So on the 240 chart, we broke the cloud to the downside, so I sold euro. I have a stop above the cloud. Here we go right here. Technical short, 120.70. I actually got shorted at 121.85 on the break of the cloud to the downside. As the bar was evolving, this is a 4-hour bar. I got shorted, and I think we're going to have more movement to the downside, maybe this 120.50 level. I have a stop loss right now at 122.80, which would be about 100 pips to the upside, and then I'm just going to let it ride overnight and see what happens tomorrow morning. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Unusual option activity, live trades, equity trades, futures, and forex are all talked about in the trading room. 100% of my real money, 100% all the time, all mine. If you guys want a free trial, you can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Have a great night, and we'll run it back tomorrow.